Do you hear that? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. One of my 25. Hey! Okay, but seriously, this is gonna be an all-nighter. I started really early because I'm really excited to get this video out because I haven't posted in 6 days. Yeah, but it's currently 5:57, and yeah, I'm gonna start this really early. Anyways, while we're here and while we're on my bed, let's go to my stuffed animals. You guys see how quick I changed the topic? I so have ADHD. But look at him. Oh, so cute, bro. But it's so stinking cute. Then I have this thing from Toy Story. I love it. Look at it. Focus. Ah, so cute. Actually. Then we have my Build-A-Bear. I need to get some clothes for it. If you guys want a video for that, me decorating my... I don't be lame. But, if you guys want that, let me know. Look at my Build-A-Bear. I actually don't have a name for him, but I think we're gonna name him now. Because he looks like a bog. My shark avocado, or shark avocado. I don't know, I'm gonna call it shark avocado. This is my shark avocado, and he is so stinking. I have more, and I crocheted that myself. Let's look at it. Hey, look at the craftsmanship. I made that by myself. And honestly, I can't touch it because if I touch it, it'll fall apart. Because I kind of got lazy and I didn't feel like finishing it. So, hey, yeah. No, now I'm about to call my friend and hopefully she picks up. Let's see. Because I'm kind of bored. We might play Fortnite or Roblox. Right on.
Not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
I did. Hey. Okay. Hi guys, now it is currently 9:35. I think I started recording at something like, I think it was like something like 5 o'clock, and I can't remember where I left off, but now we're doing a Q&A. Felt like the Q&A would be like good for my YouTube channel. So it's kind of like a get to know me, is it not? Like, I don't know, for you guys to get to know me. First question, do you have a job. You can't say that word. Seriously. But I'm joking. No, I don't have a job. Who is your favorite dog? Me, because I got that dog in me. Sorry. Okay, what do you regret not doing? Let's see. I regret not starting my YouTube account earlier because, I regret not creating my YouTube account earlier because being afraid of like someone finding it or whatever. So I regret letting someone else's opinion or whatever stop me from making my YouTube channel. So yeah, that was a cute question, actually. But while we're on the topic, I don't even know. Next question. Guess what? Chicken butt. Chicken butt. Chicken butt. What TV character do I see myself as? Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. So, honestly, I see myself as a lot of characters, so I'm just gonna do 3. 1, I see myself as Jake from Adventure Time. 2, I see myself as Bimo from Adventure Time. And 3, I kind of see myself as like just a little bit. I kind of see myself as, actually no, I see myself as Beast Boy from Teen Titans. Yeah, I love him, and I love Adventure Time. I love that question. Actually, I'm really excited for that. Okay, what do you think when you okay, the wording on this one was kind of hard, but why do you keep saying job? Okay, I secretly want a job. I'm joking. Okay, is it true you owe a 75774 G-Wagon? No. Don't play with my mama on my soul. Right. Why didn't you eat my din with the skinwalker? I'm very disappointed in you, baby. Am I the best basketball player you know? Yes. No, I'm joking. LeBron is. Height 5'8", I'm 5'8". I might be taller now, actually. I don't know. I haven't been to the doctor since last year. Favorite artist, which I need to go to the doctor because I need to get my physical so I can try out for sports. Favorite artist. Oh! This is such a good question. Actually, I love music so much, so I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I'm gonna break it into male favorite artists and female favorite artists. And I have 3 female favorite artists and 3 male favorite artists. So one of my favorite artists can be SZA for female. One of my favorite artists can be SZA, maybe, like, it depends on how I feel. Like, cause I can listen to SZA any day, like, I can just listen to SZA. 2, my second favorite artist would probably be, I don't know, Nicki Minaj. She's not my favorite artist, but she can definitely. This proves why SZA is my favorite artist. She's literally my ringtone. Okay, but no, I was saying Nicki Minaj is my favorite artist, but I like listening to her. Oh, Beyonce, SZA and Beyonce. Oh, Paramore, or yeah. Okay, male artists. I used to really mess with Alex G. Who else? Tyler, the Creator, and I have, like, I don't know. I'm gonna say Kendrick Lamar because I literally have his vinyl cover on my wall, so. Okay. Monkey later? Should I go on monkey later? I might. I don't know. Like, it's fun. But people on monkey kind of scare me. They can be really mean. I might go on Lego TV. Why you ain't play Roblox with me? I don't know, because I didn't want to. Your butt fat? Next question. And then the last question is just a photo of me. So, yay! Q&A done. Okay. This is the end of the all-nighter. It's almost 5 a.m. and I'm tired. Good night. Love you guys. Bye.